Hello and welcome to this live. How are you all doing? This is going to be about some beautiful fabrics, dupattas, a new launch of dupatta happening today, which is in a raw silk fabric. Give me a couple of minutes to get it started. Yes, 1 second. I'm also trying to get Instagram live started. So give us a second to just get there. Our lives are always simultaneous on Facebook and on Instagram. And yes, we are live. So both on Instagram and Facebook, a very warm welcome. We're going to be doing a live with some beautiful silk fabrics, Georgette dupattas. There's a new launch of raw silk dupatta which is also coming up. A recap on Bandi dupattas launched yesterday. So yes, in general, lots of really nice pieces coming up in live today. बहुत दिन बाद हमारा 4 बजे का live. It's become far and few, but yes, that's the idea that when you come, you will see a stunning, absolutely beautiful collection here. And can you not hear me? Just let me know if you can hear me up or down on Instagram. Somebody has just mentioned that they can't hear. I just need to know that before we get started. And we're going to be showing you some fabrics such as this one. Now I have a brand new fabric right here in front of me. Now you can see this gorgeous piece. Thank you. So first things first, what I'm wearing today is a champagne gold color chinia silk. It's one of, oh, thank you guys, thank you so much. It's our classic look in which, of course, every dupatta in contrast looks nice. But today, for the first time, I think what we have actually done, we have done a beautiful dupatta, our 32-800 dupatta in this broad and beautiful ambis that you can see all made in Karwa in the exact same color so that you can see the whole look right there. So when you do a same on same, this is how it's going to look. Contrasting dupattas, बहुत है और मैं बहुत दिखाने वाली हूँ. And I have loved this dupatta. Let me just show it to you how beautiful it looks in this champagne color. So you can see it right here. This is the dupatta and it's looking so classy. Kaiba, you know, our lives are always in natural light. What you're always trying to see is the real light in it. And I think most of the time the khubsurti of the pieces, they do come across. But this one, it's so classy, it's so beautiful. I really hope that you can see how amazing it's looking. The first time we have done a same on same look and really happy with it. What we're also going to be doing are some amazing colors in it to show you along with it. So there you go, this dupatta, you can buy it on its own, 32,800. This fabric that I'm wearing is 2250 per meter. Yes, it's absolutely, and one brand new color apart from that we have tried is this one, and it's so lovely. There you go. It's you know, this we like to call it the kesaria. You know, it's a proper kesar color. It's just gorgeous. This, I have so much nostalgia with this color. You know, I've seen so many of my family members wear it over a period of time. I love this color. If given a choice, I would always extend my hand towards it. So it's a beautiful color. And again, now this suit that you're seeing, typically you can have it in any color. It's a plain chinia silk. You can also have it in this beautiful color. So what I'm going to show you are dupatta options in different colors in this style, and you can go for the fabric in matching. We will do it on order. The first one that I showed you, of course, was the natural match one exactly to the T. But अगर आप चाहें तो इन सभी के साथ हम आपको fabric match करके देंगे plain silk. Because when you're wearing something like this, you know what's amazing is that it's really a very, it's not a very heavy look. You can of course accentuate it, you can do embroidery, you can make it really heavy. But if you want to just keep it classy and simple, then that's also a good way. Now here it is. This is the purple. I think this purple also looks absolutely beautiful on this contrasting color. Just look at it. I think it's a really good combination contrast. Of course, इसपे सब अच्छे लगते हैं. But when you see couple of colors, like you saw the kesari, I would say you go for a same color suit. It will like really kind of elevate the look. But this, you could wear it on this, or you could wear it on the same color. So really nice shade. Couple of last two shades. Now this one too, it's a very classy color. And this one is a shade of, you know, it's a, now some of you may call it a shade of green, some of you may call it a shade of blue. I'm going to leave it to you कि आप इसको क्या कहेंगे. But look at that, it's one whole look. So if you're wearing one nice neck piece, you kind of can make it really dressy if you want. And if you have this dupatta in a good suit like this, which is really versatile, you are done, you are set. You're going to be wearing so many looks with it. To me, this color, you know, it is a shade of blue. So yes, kind of a, yes, some may call it green, but for me, it's a shade of blue. And Sona Rupa, the last color in it that we're going to go for is this particular one. And this is orange. Again, you can see how all of these go well with this standard color. It's a absolute wardrobe essential that you have to have in your, you know, Neve collection. It's one, this look, and then you can have these. Now this is how it is. Next up, what we're going to show you is a couple of really beautiful new launches that we have. First things first, a new motif in a new color, and it's a hot orange color. And Sona and Rupa, we're trying to, you know, kind of it's just getting started, this collection. Hope you're going to like it. It's so crisp, it's so beautiful. This is Kattan silk. So this is a Kattan silk fabric, and I'm actually opening it for you in live for the first time. Just see, when it comes fresh off the loom, this is how it looks. Our brand new motif launching for you in today. So these are like a soft launch, ek color banke hum, you know, we're trying it out, and of course then if you like them, we'll make the full blown collection for you. Now this one, orange, so perfect, so hot, it's really brilliant. Next up, very interesting, and yes, this is a brand new collection. Again, we are doing a pure cotton suit, and you can see, again, you can hear the whole noise right there. This one is our pure cotton suit, showing you for the first time in live, Sona and Rupa. And you know, there's just that hint of Meena, and it's a striking color. Yes, pure cotton suits are our specialty. Now I'm going to open and show this one to you. That's the kurta that you can see right there. That's the kurta. This is your aanchal for it. You know, you have this border, and along with it, this very, you know, yes, it's a beautiful tassel look, and that's your dupatta. I'm also going to open it. Now, what's very special about this piece is that, of course, dupatta and kurta in pure cotton, all hand woven. It's just perfection. But we have also made sure that we have woven the fabric for the bottom with it. Many of you have suggested that for our premium suits, and yes, we are listening to all that you have to say. And yes, we decided that we will, though it's very difficult to put it on the loom, you know, I mean, a lot of maths behind it, but it's difficult. But we made sure that we made the pure cotton bottom along with it, so that you just have the perfect full look. From a premium launch, and launching for the very first time, in fact, that's your pure cotton from the newest collection. That's the fabric for the bottom. I'm just showing it to you, and in fact it comes with one border as well. So there is this border which you must use. Kurte mein border front and back mein dono hai, so you have lots of option how to design it. Guys, if you want to book any piece, come on WhatsApp, you know, just come on WhatsApp and take a screenshot and place your order. And now for the next pieces, which is this whole, look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Now isme these are our newest dupattas, and we have done these in raw silk. These are full length, full width dupattas in these gorgeous color. Look at that, here it is. Now each one of these dupattas, I'm going to give you the price. They're all 2.5 meter plus. 11,800. That's the price for each one of these. And look at that, again, each one of these a really nice contrast to see. Now what I have are double colors, because I think, yeah, the same motifs are there, so it's fine. I'll just show you one piece. I don't know why there's two, but you can see that here it is, tassels done. These are absolute perfection, and I'm just showing you the color in it. Really hot. Each one of these, you can do a plain matching silk with it, or you can do, you know, just maybe you have a nice, you know, good kurta in a single bold color like this one. You can wear it on a yellow, you can wear it on a pink. There's so many things that you can do, and yeah, you can do all of these colors in contrast, or same on same ke liye hum hai, we will create the whole look for you. And good length, good dupattas, really good to wear, really good to gift even. Many of you looking for that solution. That's your black. Each one of these with gold zari. So the only zari that each one of these have is gold, and you have lots of color to choose from. And yes, so many new pieces for you coming up in live. 4 baje ka live. It's You know, it's always been a culture for us. So happy that all of you can always join in. You know, it really, really makes me very happy. The second last color, this one is the Rani pink one. And then you have the last one, and it's a shade of red. So the whole range of dupattas, 11,800. Pick up any color that you like, all in gold zari. And these are all 2.5 meter plus. The tassels are done. They're ready to be shipped out today. And yes, agar aap soch rahe hain ki, you know, I've been wanting to kind of try knee for a long time. Go for this, go for our Uru collection. Lots of reviews for you to even read up on social media, in the stories, in the post, on, you know, clients who are wearing it, who have just gotten it. You know, deliveries less than 24 hours, they have it in their hand. So that's the charm. And now what I have for you is I'm going to show you a recap of the Bandhni dupattas that we did in a video yesterday. Many of you said that you want to see it in a live. Bahut sare questions the, so we said why not, we'll show it to you in a live. You know, that's absolutely, we look forward to that. So, you know, we had a live, we thought we'd just bring it out to you right here. Now this one, there's absolutely unusual design. Look at that. Now this one is a shade of pink, all of that, and it's also a figure design. So you can see that it's absolutely ravishing. Wear it with a gold, wear it with a katan silk suit, wear it with a green. It's absolute perfection. Bandhni in 2 colors. I do have some colors which I'm going to show you so that you can have your pick from our latest collection of Bandhni dupattas. And there you go. Now this one, what's really amazing about it, ki jo yellow bandhni, it really stands out. White to hai, but the yellow really kind of pops up the look. So you're seeing from far, when you see it really red, but then you see that there is a lot of yellow in. Now that's because it's so well placed, the bandhni, and of course using and making with only the finest zari. That's the pieces that you're seeing. One more piece from the only dupatta collection. And then of course I have some gorgeous combination. Oh my god, that's absolutely striking. It's a no figure dupatta. Look at the blue, it really shines through, and I think it's absolutely amazing. And as I said yesterday in my videos, we are very generous with how we make our dupattas. Good length, good weight, lots of flow, and why not? You know, that's what it's supposed to be. So that's all that the pieces that you're seeing. This is also, so abhi to main sirf aapko dupatte dikha rahi hu, but what I also have for you are combinations that you can be kind of wearing together. Now if you've been wondering that, you know, you want to go for the full look together, that's also something that I have for you, and I'm going to be showing you. So there you go, you can see that the dupatta, this is one of our premium Meenakari bandhnis, all finished, all ready to go out and match with a Meena fabric in Georgette. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up and show it to you. Look at that stunning, stunning piece. It's absolutely beautiful with the, you know, checkered design, very typical of a ghat chola, but it's bandhni, it's Meena, very premium, very beautiful. That's your dupatta right there. And of course I will also show you the anchal so that you can see the entire finishing. There you go, that's the dupatta, that's your kurta. Now for the bottom, you can go for a plain silk bottom. I think that's what goes best. You can also do a pure Georgette bottom, but also a plain silk bottom would be really good. It'll give you that nice feel to it. अब जब आप ऐसा सूट पहन रहे हैं, you know, you can embellish it, you can kind of, you know, go for a slight kali and just make this dupatta your highlight, because it is. Look at the colors. So all that you will need if you really want to kind of do something is on this kurta, on the neck, around the sleeve, highlight some of these colors on it, you know, for just that complete look. और उसके अलावा आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So that's your full look right there for the dupatta. Now next up what we have for you is this. I'm showing you one Georgette combination again, but this time it's the Banarsi combination, which is, you know, Banarsi weave and lots of it. Look at the figures, look at the design. Here it is, an absolutely marvelous piece and in such beautiful color. Look at the whole border, so gorgeous. And along with it, I'm going to show you the kurta. Again, my suggestion would be to go for plain silk bottoms. Many of you saying that, you know, I don't like Georgette for the bottom. If you want, then of course we'll, you know, do that. But if you like more of a, you know, silk look, then that's also possible. what I want to show after this is this particular piece. Yes, there you go. Here it is. Now look at that. Look at that gorgeousness right there. I think it's very, very pretty. So take a screenshot. Lot of flow. I think it's such great flow. The tassels will be done and it's absolutely striking. This one is all about the bird design that there is in it. But yes, it's an absolutely marvelous piece to go for. Now, one statement dupatta that we've been thinking of showing you, and here it is. Now, इसमें एक चीज रह गई है, which is the tassels, and I think the whole look will be so amazing if we can, just do this, red. So there's a touch of red, as you can see here, also a touch of pink, and here. Now, if you get this whole dupatta with the brilliant red and pink tassels, I think it's going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Now, what can you wear it with? You can wear it with a Georgette suit. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको red वाला दिखाया, the dyed one. You can wear it with that, but of course you can have it in, you can have it in the base color. But again, I think, and yes, it's done on purpose, but I think a color like this, if you're doing a combination, it's going to look really, really nice. Also, when the tassels just come out here, this is where it's going to be, those beautiful tassels, then it's going to completely, change its look. So go for a plain silk in the base color, go for a gold, go for a red, go for a pink. So many which ways to kind of dress this particular piece up. Now, next up in Sab Beach mein, I also want to show you this incredible one piece that I have, and this one is from our premium collection of chikankari dupattas. And there you go. Now what we've done, we have also, first you can see the entire close-up right there for you to see. One stunning dupatta in contrast, that's the embroidery for you, and all in single line double tar, and it's completely gorgeously finished. And there you go. Now with this, what we have also done is, of course, you can go for a plain silk in chinia the way I'm wearing, but what we've done is we have matched a beautiful satin fabric from our premium collections of plain fabric for you for your entire look. For bottom, we'll do a plain silk. For the kurta, satin, but if you like, then we can do it for, both the same on same look. That's also possible. And yes, it's so classy. The entire beauty in its is in its color and how it's subtle, and how you can, of course, now wear lot of color in your jewelry. You can wear pearl, you can wear diamond, all of that can be done. But yes, the look is going to be about this stunning dupatta just for you. Okay, pose that. I want to show you a suit, since we are today doing a lot of these natural colors. Of course, I'm having water, but I hope you guys have your favorite cup. Whether it's a chai or of a coffee. Chai culture, very, very hot and very, very deeply close to me. I love chai. So yes, it's big at need. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also show you another brand new piece. So yes, agar aap aaye hain live mein, I'm so grateful for that always. Then my whole idea is that you must get to see all of these very, very many beautiful pieces. Now this is a brand new one, and look at that. This is a floral design, as you can see, of the kurta. It's from our natural collection of premium meenakari suit sets. Oh my god, isn't that just mind-blowing? Look at the beauty of this. That's the kurta, and this is only a set. Yes, before you ask me, this one is only a set. अब इसके साथ मैं आपको इसका दुपट्टा दिखाती हूँ, and yes, it's a mind-blowing collection right there for you. Here you go. That's the dupatta. Oh, can't you see? It's amazing. It's that whole, it's like, a garden of flowers right there in your hand. It's just stunning. So imagine yourself wearing this and this grand dupatta and kurta. Plain bottom along with it. Tassels will be done in the same colors if you wish. I think it's a gorgeous piece. This is our brand new one. This is Munga silk. The base of it is all Munga silk. Couple of last pieces that we want. I want to show you one silk fabric. Now many of you saying, okay, so for the prices you have to take a screenshot and you have to come and you have to just take. Now some of you, many of you in fact saying that, I know, but I want silk fabrics. I've seen your bani pieces, but what I'm really looking for is for silk. And I get it, because koi bhi function hai, there is an occasion, there's nothing better than a Banarsi silk to wear, and you can wear it in so many different ways. Now this is your first color in this fabric that I'm showing you. Look at that, there's this dainty border, which is what I'm going to show you also. And along with it, when you're wearing something like this as a kurta, as a bottom, as a same on same, even as a plain kurta and a long jacket, sometimes you don't need a dupatta, it's just enough. Look at the stunning color. But if you do, then we do have the most perfect combinations in contrast with it. Of course, it's got base red, so we red kiya. If you want to go for purple, we can do it for you. But just gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics and so many colors with it. Here it is. Now this is the blue on blue. Just how striking the colors are. The entire look is of course, the play of the two colors, but also the Meena placement. It's perfection for you. So yes, this is from our premium collection of Banarsi silk fabrics. Year round, we have these beautiful pieces that you can just come and have. Now, isme do aur fabrics, and I'm not carrying the dupatta with me at the moment. I think they're all in this colors, but we can dye it for you. Next two colors that now this, okay, so just see, guys, I know a lot of you want prices, everything. Now बहुत ज़रूरी बात है, हमारे प्राइसेस चाहे आप लाइव में लें, चाहे आप व्हाट्सएप पे लें, चाहे आप वेबसाइट पे लें, they're always the same. That's very important to know. And of course, the trust only comes with time. So yeah, I want to always say that. Now, we may not say prices of each and every piece because that's not our style. We do want to give you the information. Now, this one is 12,800 per meter. So I will tell you that. But for me, when I'm showing you a piece, there is so much more to talk about. Price is a matter of fact. We will give you the price, the picture, the width, and whatever lengths you want to know for the dupattas. We'll always give you that on the chat. कैसे आप order place करेंगे is on WhatsApp. It is the way to kind of get the best pieces of Neem. The website is there. Yes, it's a functional website. You can order some of the pieces which are there, but it's mainly for you to just know your legend and for you to browse some of the pieces. Of course, agar uru lena hai, you want to be feeling, you feel very comfortable with the website, please go ahead and check out from there. But the best of our pieces are always in our videos, in our pictures, on the page, on Instagram, Facebook. तो अगर आपने कहीं भी वीडियो देखा है Instagram, Facebook पे, आप कैसे ऑर्डर करेंगे, एक ही तरीका है, आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके WhatsApp पे आएंगे, and you will take all details that you want to know and then place your order. Now look at that, that's the fourth color of this piece. So yeah, that's it. That's what we wanted to show you. But now this gorgeous piece, and I'm going to show you one more Munga suit. So not only one, you have one premium Munga which has just come out, but this is another new one that is there. And look at that, this one, the good thing is I have two interpretations of the same design, which is what I'm going to show you. And look at that, that's your Munga silk in natural color with this Meena. It comes with a plain bottom in Chandeli. So if you want to go for a Munga bottom, then the price will increase. But yeah, I think it's a lovely piece. That's the kurta and that's the dupatta for you. I think it looks amazing. Look at that. Now, iske saath what I'm going to show you is same motif design, but we have interpreted it in linen, and you can see that. So that's the linen look of it. You just saw a similar Munga look with it. Now with it, what we've done a lighter dupatta. Because it's a premium fabric. We can do the heavier dupattas if you want, but I think it also looks really nice because look jo pura hai wo in bold Meena ka hai, so I think it's a very nice one. It comes with a plain bottom. This is 3 meter kurta, so you can do a lot of styling in it. Next up, kuch hi cheeze hai, and then we're done. It's kind of a short live, lots of new pieces for you to see. Is another example of how we design our complete sets in Georgette and in Bandhni. Now look at that. That's a wonderful one. It's a Sona Rupa, and yes, you can buy the fabric only. That's always available. But the perfect combination with it that I'm yet to show you, and that's this premium dupatta. There you go. Here it is. And look at that. The Sona, the Rupa, the pastel Meena. It's so subtle. You can see the Meena if I bring it closer to you. And it's just absolute perfection. And with this fabric, there you go. That's your full look, again with a plain silk bottom. Take a screenshot and place your order on WhatsApp. the last one look I want to show you, last 2-3 looks of course. There are 3 sets I have in my hand. I was just debating kaun sa pehle dikhao. Now this one is, yes, again, this is again from our chicken collection, and you can see that in organza dupatta, so beautiful, and all of this detailing right here in Mukesh, and that's your kurta. So yes, this is a contrast wala look, the pink and the black. I think you can never go wrong with it. This is your plain bottom. Again, lots of different handcrafted pieces for you to see in this live. And the last 2 pieces, this one is this, look at that, this is our premium Georgette suit, and this is the kurta. Now कुछ सेट्स में हमारे आप ब्रेक करके ले सकते हैं, कुछ हमारे सेट जैसे ही हम देते हैं, and we always let you know which are what. Now you can see this, the brilliant Sona Rupa, and I'm going to show you the dupatta along with it. It's so hot. It's a wonderful shade of pink. Now look at that. There you go. That's your full look with, again, a plain silk bottom or plain Georgette bottom. This is our standard dupatta. We always have it. Now let me just show you the whole look. You know, even if you're wearing any color suit and you wear this pop of color in any, look at this. This is I had a red earlier in my hand. It just looks so good, you know, because इसमें पूरी जो सुंदरता है, इसका flow है, इसकी weaving है, is just amazing, you know, the whole of it. But of course, if you're looking for a look which is with slightly heavier, so this is the same motive again. Now you can see, and it's a very nice, it's like a coral color, and you can see that Sona and Rupa, and you can see that's your piece. You saw it in pink, and then you saw it in, I think you also saw it, 2 colors you saw it in. So this and this is a coral color with a dressy dupatta, and there you go. So that's your dupatta. Again, tassels will be done in this beautiful piece. That's your full look to go for. I'm also going to show you. Now, of course, isme aap in sabhi mein, you can just take the dupatta. That's also possible. So you can also do that. And there you go. Now look at how it is. It's so sleek. You know, it's just so easy to kind of carry, and so much statement with just wearing one beautiful piece for you. And there you go. Here it is. The close-up of this one, and this one piece for you. Of course, don't forget that we also launched these beautiful dupattas today, and these are like 11,800, really great to wear. And yes, and that's that. So you can have this, you can have many of the suits that we have shown you from different collections, dupattas, all of that. Of course, at the side, we always have a lot of cotton suits which are there for this season, because many of you say that that's what I'm looking for. Uru just launched 2 days back. Bahar still available. So yeah, that's also something very important for you to kind of check out and go for it. COD is available in India with the token amount. Otherwise, you can just take a payment link of Razorpay. India mein hai ya bahar, on both, it's available, Razorpay links. Super simple. International shipping always available. Free above 45,000 order value. Below that, it's chargeable. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in, and I will see you really soon again.